Hey YouTube, Diesel Diva coming to you guys once again with another video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and make sure you hit the bell notification so that you are notified when I upload another video. So I decided to come back to you guys again. Oh, let me get out the truck because I wanted to show you guys how I get in the trailer. Gotta sweep out the trailer, guys. So this is how I do it. First, gloves. Oh, and let me get my keys. So I just backed up to my trailer, and I have a load that I need to pick up at 5. So let me get out here and do what I gotta do. So first, after I backed up to my trailer, I'm going to go in here and make sure that my, and I probably should use my flashlight so you guys can really see what I'm doing. But I'm getting up underneath here, underneath the trailer, and I'm making sure that, that my kingpin is locked. And it is. See? Locked. Let me get back out. Oh! And now I'm going to hook up my glad hands. So I'm going to sit you guys down real quick. How about right here? Sit you guys down right there. Ooh. Let me see. There we go. That's better. There we go. That's better. So we're going to go ahead and hook these glad hands up. Get my gloves on. Hope you guys can hear me okay. Getting ready for work. Alright, first things first. Get these bad boys untangled. Lining it up. In. Now we're going to line it up. In. And the third one. Up. In. Alright, now we're going to go here to the other side and put these dolly legs down. So let's get these dolly legs down. I'll show you guys that. And here we are, my landing gear. There's my landing gear. Everything's intact. Let's see, where can I put you guys? Let's see, I'm going to put you guys on his trailer. Hopefully he won't move before I can get you off of his trailer. No, that's probably, we'll put you on his tire right here. How about that? That would be a perfect view, but I can't get it to stay. So maybe I'll have to do like the veteran YouTubers do and just hold it. But first, I'm going to put you guys right here because I need to put my gloves back on. So we're going to put these gloves back on. And we're going to go ahead and lower this landing gear. Then we're going to get in the trailer. Oh, see? He's cranking up. So it's a good thing I didn't leave my phone right there because he might be leaving. He's in the pocket. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and alright guys, so let's go ahead and finish where we were left off at. Put you guys right there like that. Oh, that's a perfect view. Okay, cool. Now, we're going to go ahead and get this landing gear put down. Get my gloves back on. So I figured I'd start to show you guys some videos of me actually working. Oh no, my phone fell. That sucks. Alright guys. I don't know if I'll be able to do this. I'm gonna try. Let's see. Without showing all my goods. Let's see if we can get this thing wound up. Why do I feel like it's going the wrong way? Man, I need 2 hands for this. I'm going to go ahead and get back with you guys in just a minute. Hey guys, so I'm back again and let's see. My finger's in the way. So I was showing you guys about this landing gear. So let's see. So you see, it's going up. Now I'm done. So now I'm just going to pull it out and put it, let's see, which way does it go? That way. There's a hook up there. Alright, so now I gotta go back here and take this lock off my trailer. I need to jump in my trailer really quick and sweep it out. Oh crap, I forgot something. Forgot my, we're going back around this way. Ay, ay, ay. I'm telling you guys, it's not easy doing these videos and holding the phone at the same time and doing your work, and so please bear with me. So I forgot the cutters. Got to cut this seal off. Sometimes you got to put a seal on your trailer so nobody else will try and claim it. Even though it's assigned to you, it doesn't matter. So, look at Trucker Dog. Trucker Dog's got anxiety issues. She doesn't want her mama to leave her. So what I'm going to do right now also is I'm going to turn my reefer on because I'm going to pick up ice cream. So I want to make sure my reefer is pre-cooled to -20. So we'll go ahead and let that come on while I cut the seal and open up these doors and see exactly what type of work I got to do before I get going. I also need to slide my tandems back. If you guys can see that, my tandems are way up there. Here's the 40-foot mark here. And my tandems are there. So also need to get that taken care of. Somebody put a trash can right here. It definitely wasn't here earlier or yesterday when I came. So let's go ahead and cut the seal. Oop. That's done. Pull him out in the trash. And we'll go ahead and open that lock up. Alright guys, so we got the lock off. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like inside. Okay, not too bad at all. I'm going to go ahead and sweep that out real quick. Go ahead and sweep that out real quick, you guys. I'm going to have to move in order to do so. So let me close this back up. Latch it. Latch it. Pull that back down. Let me grab my cutters. And I'm going to have to, let's see, I'm going to have to find somewhere to go to sweep this thing out. So we're on our way back up to the truck. Like I said earlier, I'm pre-cooling my Reefer, so it's on now. You guys see that? So it has to be at a -20. that means that the trailer is at 72 degrees. So I'll be right back and we'll find somewhere to park and we'll go ahead and sweep out this trailer. Alright guys, so we found a place. To open up the doors and go ahead and get this thing swept out. So this is what we're going to do right now. We're getting ready to put on some knee pads. I hope I'm not in this guy's way. Damn, I hope I'm not in his way. Am I in your way? Okay. Is there anywhere I could park where I can sweep out my trailer real quick? What trash can? Okay. Damn. Fucking, ugh. I get my shit all together, ready to go, and then all of a sudden here comes this motherfucker right here talking about I'm in his way. Fuck. Alright, you guys, let me go ahead and I'll be back. Alright guys, so finally we found a place to go. We had a place a moment ago. As soon as I got set up to get in the trailer, a yard dog came by and said I was in his way. So that freaking sucked. Time is ticking and I really don't have time to keep playing games. So I gotta get this stuff done. So we're gonna try it again. We're gonna try it again. Go back. Alright you guys, come with me. We're gonna try this again. I just found some little damaged area where I'm not in anybody's way. It shouldn't be a problem. I hope nobody comes and says anything to me. I already got everything opened up and ready to go. So I'm gonna be quiet while I'm doing this because I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward, speed up the video while I do this. That way I just want you guys to see what I'm doing, that's all. So I got my step ladder. Got my step ladder, and that was him. He just passed back by and gave me an okay sign. So hold on guys. Now usually I put on my knee pads. But I'm going to try to get in here and do it without my knee pads today, guys, because I really got to get this done. So I'm going to turn it this way. That way you guys can see me getting up in the trailer. Nice and cool in here. I got the reefer on, so let me go ahead and get started.